I'm gonna be pranking cheesy maker with this egg, so that when he opens his door it smashes on the floor and ruins his life. Cheesy Michael, 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 Cheesy Michael.